Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, you are going to learn exactly how you can delete the user code on your BRINKS or on your EZSET electronic keypad lock. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to wake up the keypad and then simply enter your programming code. Now, after entering the programming code, you just have to simply press this particular enter button, which is the EZSET button and the BRINKS button. Now, after doing so, you just have to simply press 2 and then you just have to start entering the exact user code that you want to delete. Just make sure that you enter the code exactly as it was programmed. Even if one digit is wrong, the lock won't find the code and the detection will fail. So after entering the user code, you just have to again press the EZSET button and the BRINKS button in order to basically confirm it. So once you see the confirmation light or the beep on the lock, it simply means that you have successfully removed the code from the lock's memory. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.